Hey everyone, welcome to 6.3 Example C, Inverse Matrices. Alright, so just as a quick review, A times X equals B. Find the inverse of A, multiply by B, inverse of A first, then multiply by B, and that will get you your solution. So what we're going to do is we're going to direct you back to the problem we had from the beginning of this section, the intro, which was the one with the movies with Dwayne and who else was there? There was Dwayne, and there was Marsha and Parker. They bought candy bars and chocolate covered peanuts and all that kind of stuff. We want to figure out how much each one was worth. Now, if you just use system of equations, it's really tedious and really annoying. So what we're going to do is we're just going to write out the matrix for this. And if you just remember from before, I'm not going to go through the whole word problem and set up the matrix. If you want to go check that out, we can go back to 6.3 Introduction. So it's going to be a 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 0, 2, 3. That's our matrix A. And then we have C, D, and P. Okay, and C again was for candy bars, D was for drinks, and P was the chocolate-covered pretzels. And when we had that, it ended up that the first one was $11.85, the second one was $9, and the last one was $12.35. Alright, so what I want to do is I want to find the inverse matrix. If I can find out what C, D, P, that's the X, right, our variable matrix, if we can have that equal the inverse of that times that, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up my calculator. So if you haven't seen this before, this is how you set up the calculator. You can do second matrix, and it's going to show up. Now, what I want to do is edit matrix A. So I'm going to edit matrix A. Matrix A is a 3 by 3. So then I just have to type it in. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 0, 0, 2, 3. So there's matrix A. While I'm at it, I might as well set up matrix B. So I'm going to edit matrix B. It is a, oops, I want to make sure it's matrix B, not A. Edit matrix B. And it's going to be a 3 by 1. And those numbers are, right here, 1185. Oops, make sure it's 85. There's that part. The second one is $9. And the last one is $12.35. Okay, so now we have our matrices. Now all we really have to do is go into matrix, and I'm going to say the inverse of A. Oops, I don't want to do that. So let's see if this still works. We're going to take A, get the inverse of it, which is right here. All right, and I'm going to multiply by that by matrix B. And I should end up with that. 215, 205, and 275. So we'd have 215, 205, and 275. Alright, so what does that mean? That means that the C, we can just write it here. Here's our solution. C equals 215. I'm going to put a $sign by it. D equals $205, and it's $2.05. And P equals $2.75. Alright, so that means the C stands for how much a candy bar costs. The D stands for how much the small drink costs, and this stands for how much the chocolate-covered peanuts cost. Alright, so there is your example. If you can use a graphing calculator, it really saves you a lot of time. Rather than trying to find the inverse of the 3 by 3 matrix, type in the graphing calculator and you are done. Alright, good luck with that assignment. Then you don't have an extra assignment because this will just help you if you have any problems with the assignment from class. Good luck.